Welcome back. Today we are working out a salsa coloring magazine. This coloring book is full of amazing images of some really stylish aliens. Today we'll focus on this wealthy space being who's hanging out in the marina. Why fly in a spaceship when you can cruise in your yacht? We'll be coloring with this set of soft pastel pencils. These super soft pencils will let us use a stump to blend all of our colors together. I think you're going to like it. A stump is just some paper that is rolled really tight and sharpened to a point. We'll start today with the background and slowly make our way around our alien. Then we'll color in the shirt and finish up with the arms and head. We start by laying down some light colors in the background and blending it using our stump. I like to keep the colors muted so that the alien remains the main focus. I'm keeping the colors realistic to this planet, but you can really let your imagination go wild and use whatever colors you want. For our shirt, we'll use a combination of several shades of green. Light green for the highlights and dark green for the shadows. As you can see, I apply the colors separately, but then gently blend them together to give this shirt that realistic looking polo you see at the golf course. As we move on to the skin tones, I chose to use a dark blue for the shadows and pink for the highlights. You wouldn't think these colors would work together because they are so different, but it really gives the image a lot of depth. The great thing about this coloring magazine is that we can literally use any color we want for the skin tones. The details in the face make it very easy to choose two colors and make a great looking image. As we put the finishing touches on our alien, we add some yellow to the eyes and do some final blends. And here you have it. This dapper alien is ready to hit the hottest space bar in the galaxy. We hope you enjoy watching. If you like it, make sure to share it with a friend. That will help our channel grow. We'll see you next time.